New tonight, a daring nighttime Navy SEAL mission recently rescued an Ohio woman out of a war-torn region in Somalia and back to safety. That happened just days before a conference here in Columbus, bringing together people to discuss how to bring stability to a country ravaged by violence. 10 TV's Danielle Elias has more.
And seeing the level of destruction of structures and homes and people. People have been destroyed emotionally and physically. It really hits you hard.
Dr. Abdinur Mohammed recently visited his homeland of Somalia for the first time in 28 years. Although saddened by decades of civil war, he still saw hope.
So we were able to see in the rubble people that want to get up, to rebuild their lives, to go to school, to find a job, and to get back in what they used to have.
Yet despite this growth, he says there's one important thing missing: solid leadership to keep the peace. A sentiment echoed by most everyone here.
We are seeing now a diaspora that is saying enough is enough. This clanistic, childish war needs to stop.
But it's the method of getting there that's up for discussion. Scholars, State Department officials, Somalis, and students all challenging the issue under one roof.
The future of Somalia affects the stability of the African continent as well as the world.
We are hoping that we are going to embark in a new path of solidarity among Somalis who are from different walks of life and different regional representations.
The answer may not be spelled out yet, but the passion to finding one is.
But all of them are yearning for what they used to have in Somalia: one state, a nation, a community that lived at peace with itself and with its neighbors. And we're hoping for that to come back.
At The Ohio State University, Danielle Elias, 10 TV News.
Now, a number of recommendations came out of the conference to help the local Somali population, specifically with their children. Those attending tell 10 TV that they want to have stronger parental involvement in the Somali children's education, help with high school graduation rates of Somali students, with many struggling with that language barrier, and also to develop an advocacy group for the rights of immigrant students who may face challenges in school.